Okay, so the way this is going to work, when she gets logged in, her page looks something similar to this, where she'll have her different classes over here. It'll say science or Miss Sean's class or Mr. Moses' class, that kind of thing. But so she'll come over here and she'll click on Mr. Stevenson's social studies class, and probably what you guys were doing. Hold on, let me go back. Probably what you guys were doing was looking at like the weekly agenda or the assignments, and then just click on those. But what she'll actually need to do is click on my class specifically, and then let me set it up so it looks like it'll look for her. Give it just a second here. So when she gets logged in, my page, when she actually clicks on my class, it'll look like this. And so when she goes under each of these dates, there are specific things like this says Thursday 319, Friday 320, that kind of thing. So what she's doing, I mean, she's gone through, and it looks like you guys have submitted your assignments. So as far as the propaganda, I mean, I've got all the assignments so far, but what she will need to do also is make a copy of this. So she'll click, and then in the upper left-hand corner, um, when it pulls up for her, it's going to look a little bit different. But when she'll make a copy of it, she should know how to do that on Google Docs. I mean, it's something we've been doing a lot in my class this year. So she'll have that outline, and then she'll watch these videos, which is just of last week. So she'll watch these two videos here to complete the rest of that assignment, and then our quiz is here. So basically, what she needs to get in the habit of doing is clicking on my individual page, and then she'll go through and, like, for example, this is today and tomorrow's assignment is right here. And so when she clicks on that, there is a link to a program that we've used in the class called Common Lit. So she'll click on sixth period because that's when I have her, and there will be an assignment that's assigned to her when she gets logged in. It'll say, assignments, and she'll click on that, and then there's an assignment called Roaring Twenties that's assigned to her. And then there is another study guide video. So she'll make a copy of this, watch the video, and then fill in the notes on this based upon the video. So probably what I would have her do is, for example, I would take and make this, a separate screen, and then go back to the PowerSchool Learning page and watch the video over here, and then she can just click over here and fill stuff in as the video goes through, just to make it so she's not clicking back and forth between two pages. It'll just make it a little bit easier for her. I hope this explains what's going on. I know it's a little bit weird and kind of chaotic and stuff like that, but I think once we kind of get going with it, it'll make sense. And I figure this is probably an easier way to explain versus me just trying to walk you through it on the phone. So, um, just, I guess, watch this video, have her watch the video, and then I think it should make sense. If it doesn't, just email me back, and then we'll sort it out. We'll figure out some way to do it. So hopefully this makes sense.